Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set pickup options on the PUBG Mobile application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone and tap on this button in the right side corner of the screen down below and click on settings at the top. After that, tap on pickup in this left side column, and then you show the tap on pickup configuration at the top of the screen, and here you can enable auto pickup and other pickup options such as level 3 backpacks, auto pickup scope, don't auto pickup drop scopes, Mac pickup priority, auto pickup pistols, canted sight, stop auto pickup when list is collapsed. So you can enable or disable these features, and then this section will be updated automatically. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.